guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some stuffed pancakes. So, for our stuffed pancakes, we're going to be adding sausage and bacon to them. And I have some flour, milk, eggs, sugar, butter, baking powder, salt, and vanilla for my pancakes. We're going to make our pancakes from scratch. Yes, from scratch. It's me being me. And we're going to make delicious, the ultimate stuffed pancakes is the name of this video, guys. The ultimate stuffed pancakes. And we're going to do such a marvelous job with these pancakes. Oh my goodness, they're going to be so delicious. Yes, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to mix our dry ingredients into my bowl. We're going to move these wet ingredients down. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. That there. What I like to do here is start to whisk my flour out, get rid of any type of lumps that may have occurred. I have a tablespoon and a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. Baking powder. I have a tablespoon of baking powder and my salt. Now, we're going to whisk these together, just like so, because we want it all combined and working all throughout. So we're just going to put our dry ingredients to the side. We're going to bring my 1 cup of milk, my 1 egg, my 2 teaspoons of melted butter, my half a cup of sugar. Now, if you don't want your pancakes sweet, you can leave out the sugar or just add a tablespoon of sugar. And vanilla, we're going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla, but you can use as much as you like. I think I need a fork for this, not my whisk. And we're just gonna whisk. We're just gonna beat together this, just like so. My wet ingredients, just beat them all together like this. It's gonna give you 2 cups of wet. And if you think you need some more milk, by all means add it. Instead of milk, you can add buttercream to this. That would work. And just make sure you combine it really well. The milk, the eggs, the sugar, and the vanilla. Alright. I'm going to bring back. And the reason why we added so much baking powder to this, so because we want some fluffy pancakes. So now we're going to add everything back in. Sugar, vanilla, everything. And we're just going to mix it together. And at this point, you don't like it this thick, by all means, add some more milk, just like I'm going to do. So I'm going to add half a cup of milk to this, because this is a little too thick for me. But if you like thick pancakes, so we have our half a cup of milk, and we're going to slowly add it, because it might not be a half a cup, it might just be a couple tablespoons of milk to get it to the thickness you want it. Remember not to overmix your pancake batter. Well, that's it. I just needed a tablespoon more. So, half a cup and a tablespoon. There you have it. And we have our pancake mix. So, let's get cooking our pancakes. Okay guys, so I have some fully cooked bacon. You guys can see that sliced bacon here, and some fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausages. It's gonna go in there. I have my griddle all nice and hot. I have some butter, guys. Alright. And we're gonna butter up our griddle. Nice and buttery. Nice and buttery, guys. Oh, this is going to be absolutely amazing. So I have my butter down on our griddle, and so now we're gonna start adding that pancake batter right on here, and we're gonna let it spread. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna let it spread. I'm gonna do 3 at a time. This should make about 8 pancakes. If you wanted to thin it out more, it'd probably make 10. Alright. So while they're spreading out and getting all pretty for us, I'm gonna go in with the sausages right inside. These are turkey sausages, by the way. And we're gonna get them right in there. Just like so. And we're gonna add our bacon right on top of the sausage. You can use turkey bacon for this. It does not have to be pork bacon. I'm just not a fan of turkey bacon. Like so. We're going to give it a minute to cook. Alright. So we got our pancakes here. Like just a bit. And flip. Beautiful. And flip. Stuffed pancakes, guys. Stuffed. Beautiful pancakes. Look at them. Nice, fluffy, beautiful pancakes. We letting this side cook. We let the bacon cook up and the sausage warm up. Everything is fully cooked inside of there. So all we doing is really heating and eating. Heating and eating, baby. Heating and eating. Alright, so now I'm going to flip them for you so you can see what they're looking like. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look, oh my. Look at the bacon, the sausage, everything inside of there. I'm going to bring you in a little closer. I just want y'all to see this. How this really looks. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. Look at that. We're going to take these off. We're going to add our next pancakes. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to add butter to the pan. And then that way, you don't have to add butter to the pancakes because it's being cooked in butter. But unless you want to, unless you like that extra butter, then go ahead. It's your pancakes. Do what you want to do with them. I'm going to add some more butter all over the pan. Go in just like so. Right in the middle. 3 at a time, guys. You can make them smaller or bigger, however you want. I'm going to come in with those sausages. All over. Absolutely all over. You add as little or as much sausage and bacon as you like. Or as little as you like. made these just a little bigger than the other ones, so I'm going to add a little more bacon and sausage. Alright, so we're going to give these time to cook, and then we're going to flip. Alright, so let's start flipping. So when your pancakes start to bubble up around the sides and in the middle, that means it's time to flip. You can always take a peek and see if they flippable. So use your spatula. And if it's cooking too fast, just turn your fire down. And if you don't have a griddle, any type of pan I prefer a non-stick pan when making pancakes, but you can use a cast iron or whatever you want to use when making these. And that way you get a beautiful pancake. And you don't have to use my recipe for pancakes. You can use the box mix, Hungry Jack, whatever you have on hand. I use box mix sometimes too, because sometimes I don't feel like making pancakes. I mean, it's easy to make pancakes. Of course, it's only a few ingredients to make pancakes, but and then you just whisking it together. But a box, sometimes it says just add water, so just add water. And you could do the same thing, just like we did here. You can add blueberries, and if you didn't want to add meat to this, you can add blueberries, bananas, nuts. In the batter, you can add some cinnamon and sugar. You can add some cinnamon pancakes. You can add some caramel in here. When it comes to pancakes, there's no limit to pancakes. These are pretty good looking pancakes. So let's do our last one. And then I'm going to fry you guys an egg. Adding sausages. Big. Now this recipe will feed 4 people. I guess it depends on how your family eats, or your friends or your loved ones who you're making these pancakes for. If you wanted to do something nice for your significant other, make breakfast in bed, this would be the ideal thing. These stuffed pancakes. It's not a lot of work. Get you some of these pre-cooked pancakes, pre-cooked bacon and sausages. I'm telling you, you will be on the money. See how it's starting to just bubble around the edges, just like that. Now we're going to go right underneath this very large pancake. Make sure you get to the middle and flip. Beautiful pancake. Alright, when we come back, we're going to make those eggs. Okay, let me show you how I like to make my eggs. My over easy egg, because I love a good over easy egg. You can get an over medium, just have to cook it a little longer. Eggs right in there. Then, and I carefully crack my egg. Right on. has a shell. So happened to happen. I'm gonna add a little salt action going on. You want to salt those eggs. The egg is not good if it's not salted. So see how it's starting to come together around the edges? That's letting me know that it's getting ready to be flipped. That same spatula that I used, flip it just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like so. Absolutely beautiful eggs. Count to 10. Turn your flames off. And the residual heat will finish cooking your egg, and you had the perfect over easy egg. Alright guys, I'll come back. I'm going to plate this up and show you how I like to eat it. Alright, so I like to put my egg right on top of these stuffed pancakes and get hot, piping hot syrup and pour all over my pancakes. Just like so. I just take some syrup, heat it up in the pan. Use your favorite syrup. Heat it up in a pan. And come in with these nice, beautiful pancakes. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at, oh my goodness. Heaven. Now let me, that egg to run right into them pancakes like so. And I like a little cheddar cheese on my eggs, so I add a little cheddar on there. I like the sausages, the bacon. Oh my goodness. This is good. Y'all got to try this recipe. Oh. A breakfast in bed for your significant other. He will thank you for this. Or she will thank you for this. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.